Tired of the same old beach days on your cruise? Are you ready to inject some serious adrenaline into your next vacation? Then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into 20 thrilling cruise excursion ideas that will satisfy even the most hardcore adventure junkies. First up, number 20, ziplining through the rainforest canopy in Costa Rica. Imagine soaring over lush greenery with toucans and monkeys as your audience. It's a classic for a reason, offering breathtaking views and a rush of speed. It's perfect for first-time adventurers looking for a taste of excitement without being too extreme. Number 19 takes us to the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean for some shark and ray snorkeling in Belize. Don't worry, these are gentle nurse sharks and friendly stingrays. Getting up close with these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat is an experience that is both thrilling and humbling. At number 18, let's head to Alaska for some glacier hiking. Strap on your crampons and grab an ice axe. You'll traverse ancient ice fields, explore shimmering blue ice caves, and witness the raw power of nature. This is a must-do for anyone cruising the last frontier. Coming in at number 17 is dune buggy racing in the deserts of Sabio San Lucas, Mexico. Kick up some sand as you power through rugged terrain, catching air off small dunes. It's a high-octane way to explore the arid landscapes just beyond the port. Number 16, coast-steering in Mallorca, Spain. What's coast-steering, you ask? It's a mix of cliff jumping, wild swimming, and rock scrambling along the coastline. It has a full-body workout and an incredible way to see the dramatic Mediterranean coast from a totally unique perspective. For number 15, we're going deep underground with cave tubing in Belize. You'll float on an inner tube down a gentle river that flows through a network of ancient Mayan caves. With only your headlamp to light the way, you'll see stunning rock formations and feel like a true explorer. At number 14, get ready to ride the waves with surfing lessons in Honolulu, Hawaii. Waikiki Beach is the legendary birthplace of modern surfing, and there's no better place to learn how to catch a wave. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to improve, the warm water and gentle rollers are perfect. Number 13 is for the adrenaline purist, bungee jumping in New Zealand. Known as the adventure capital of the world, Queenstown offers several jaw-dropping jumps. Plunging towards a turquoise river from a historic bridge is a memory that will stick with you forever. Let's cool things down for number 12 with some ice climbing on a glacier in Iceland. Guided by experts, you'll learn to use ice axes and crampons to scale a vertical wall of ice. It's challenging, rewarding, and offers an unparalleled sense of accomplishment. At number 11, we're exploring the underwater world with a scuba dive in the Great Blue Hole of Belize. This massive marine sinkhole is a bucket list dive for a reason. You'll descend into the deep blue to see giant stalactites and maybe even a few reef sharks patrolling the depths. This is for certified divers only and is a truly epic adventure. Kicking off our top 10 at number 10 is whitewater rafting on the Pacuay River in Costa Rica. This river carves through pristine rainforest and offers Class 3 and 4 rapids that will get your heart pounding. Teamwork is key as you navigate the turbulent waters. Number 9 takes us to the volcanic landscapes of Hawaii for a helicopter tour over an active volcano. Seeing rivers of molten lava flowing into the ocean from above is a primal, awe-inspiring sight. It's a splurge, but the views are absolutely priceless. At number 8, we're canyoning in Interlaken, Switzerland. This involves rappelling down waterfalls, sliding down natural rock slides, and jumping into crystal-clear pools. It acts like a natural water park for grown-ups and a fantastic way to experience the Swiss Alps. For number 7, let's try sandboarding down the massive dunes of Dubai. Similar to snowboarding but on warm, soft sand, this is a super fun and unique activity. You can carve your way down the slopes and then take a 4x4 back to the top for another run. Coming in at number 6 is swimming with whale sharks in Mexico. Off the coast of Cancun, you can snorkel alongside the largest fish in the sea. These gentle giants are filter feeders, so it's perfectly safe. Floating next to a creature the size of a school bus is an experience that's hard to put into words. We're in the top 5. At number 5, we have volcano boarding down Cerro Negro in Nicaragua. You'll hike up an active volcano, then hop on a reinforced wooden sled and fly down its black ash slopes at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. It's dusty, fast, and wildly exhilarating. Number 4 is the famous Cage of Death in Darwin, Australia. Here, you'll be lowered in a clear acrylic cage into a pool with a massive saltwater crocodile. Coming face to face with this prehistoric predator is a heart-stopping thrill you won't find anywhere else. Our top 3 starts with number 3, spelunking in the Acton Tunachil Mucknell, or TM, cave in Belize. This is no ordinary cave tour. You'll swim, climb, and crawl through a Mayan sacrificial site, seeing ancient pottery and skeletal remains left exactly as they were found. It's a physical and historical adventure all in one. The runner-up at number 2 is heli-skiing in Alaska. A helicopter drops you and your guide on an untouched mountain peak, giving you access to pristine powder and epic descents. This is the ultimate dream for experienced skiers and snowboarders seeking the freshest tracks and most dramatic scenery. And finally, the number 1 most thrilling cruise excursion for adventure junkies is biking the Death Road in Bolivia. This notorious road dramatically descends from the high Andes to the Amazon jungle. With sheer cliff drops on one side and stunning waterfalls on the other, it's a test of nerve and skill. Surviving this ride earns you serious bragging rights and an unforgettable story. So there you have it, 20 incredible adventures to supercharge your next cruise. Which one are you adding to your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. If you love these ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to CruiseAdventures for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy travels.